Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little video on Yeezy shoes because in the last 2-3 months I've got like 5 pairs, all from the Confirmed app. I've won about 5 raffles. So this is going to be a little video on how I did that, the shoes, and a little sizing guide just because I kind of messed up and got the wrong sizes for my slides. So hopefully this will help somebody. So if you want to learn, keep on watching. The first pair I won was the Sulfur ones, and then in July I signed up for the slides drop that happened on the Confirmed app, and I won the Onyx pair and I believe the Pure color. I signed up for both raffles. I won both. I almost signed up for a pair for my daughter, but I didn't. I don't know why, because I probably would have won those also. But those are the second and third pairs I won. So I'm going to unbox the slides both right now just because I have them. So the first ones I got were the Onyx slides. And these are a men's size 9. So basically I kind of feel like Adidas Confirmed app suggested you size up. So I'm a woman's 9, so I got a men's 9, which would be a woman's 10. But then when I got them, I'm like, these are way too big. They're not even comfy. Like, when you walk, I feel like they're going to come off your feet. So, unfortunately, I shouldn't have got the size 9. I should have got a women's 8. So, I am going to sell both of these and try and get a women's 8 because I really want them. They're cute and I want them to be snug on my feet. I don't want to walk and have them, like, falling off because that's what I felt like these would be. But I am going to open these. So, these are the black slides, tissue, 2 slides, the Adidas logo, nothing on the bottom. But yeah, basically they're too big and I want a smaller size, so I'm actively selling the black Onyx pair, and the other pair I have are the bone color. So the other pair I got was the bone color in the slides, and these are also in a men's size 9. And like I said, I got the wrong size only because the Confirmed app suggested you size up, but I really should have sized down. So this is just a warning, disclaimer to anybody, especially females. We don't have as big feet as men do, so I would definitely recommend buying your true size because, like, even if I wanted to wear these, the top right here, there's so much space, like to the point where you might fall when you're walking out, if you know what I mean. Like, my foot doesn't touch the top. But the same thing with these, the Adidas logo in the shoe. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not sure why I keep winning so many sneakers on Confirmed app. I think it's just because, well, they did put out an article basically saying how to win and how people get better chances of winning. If I can find it, I'll link it underneath this video. But it was basically like you have to be consistent in the app. Sign up for things, play their games, their prizes, their trivias, their raffles, just keep signing up. It's just really consistency. And to be honest, it's been working for me. I've been actively trying to get Yeezys for like the last 2 years, and like this is like the first time where I've been consistent nonstop. Like I said, of the last 3 months I've won like 5 Yeezys. So in July I won the 2 slides, and then on Yeezy Day, August 2nd, I won more shoes. So on Yeezy Day, August 2nd, I won a pair of 450s. I originally got these for my boyfriend. He tried them on, did not like them. He said they weren't good for his feet or something like that. But I did get these in a 13.5 because he's a 13 and the website said size up, half size. So these are the Onyx 450s. And these are 13.5. These shoes are huge. But yeah, these are the 450s, and I am going to be selling these. My boyfriend didn't like these either. So that's the first shoe I won on Yeezy Day. So I was really happy with that. And then the second ones I won that I'm actually keeping for myself because I really, really wanted them. I really wanted the Keontaes or the Kyanites. I said this in my last Yeezy video. However you pronounce it, they have a little bit more blue than these ones, but I really like these ones because they're very like neutral and nice. The last shoe I won were these 700s on Yeezy Day. If you were on the website, you would have seen these. I got these ones. They're actually very comfortable. They're so cute. I love them. I feel like they can go with anything. There's nothing on the bottom. There's the tag. There's the logo inside. And I got these in a size 8.5. I think this is the only shoe they were correct about to order a size up, so I did. So these are technically a woman's 9.5, and they fit great. I love these. I'm keeping these. But yeah, so that's kind of my Yeezy confirmed app rundown and what's been happening the last few months for me. These are my little tips and tricks. Hopefully they can help somebody get some Yeezys. I know it helped my girlfriend. The other day she got foam runners, the black ones that dropped on Yeezy Day. I helped her get those. So it's just really consistency to me. I was making jokes to my friend that I'm a bot now because I've been winning so much Yeezys. I have like 5 and I'm selling about 4 of them right now. So yeah, I think the only trick is you just have to stay really consistent on the app, sign up for everything. Unfortunately, I signed up for something I didn't want and I still got it, but that's okay. I learned my lesson. But I think even getting those shoes helped me get these 2 slides and the 2 I won on Yeezy Day. Originally, I won 3 on Yeezy Day, but I think they realized, hey, this girl won so many. So then they took away the white ones from me. I don't know why. But yeah, so if I can find any links to the shoes, I'll put them down below. If I can find the link to the article on the confirmed app, I'll also put that down below. And if I find any like dupes or anything like that, because I know not everybody can afford Yeezy slides because sometimes they are overpriced for resellers. So, or even if you want to buy these slides off of me or the 450s, if you know anybody with a big foot, they're 13.5. Please message me, DM me, anything. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I was gonna make this 2 parts, but I decided to make it 1. But that was my Yeezy Day experience. I have no complaints. I feel very blessed. A lot of people don't even get a chance to get 1 pair of shoes, so I'm very blessed and thankful that I've been winning. I'm gonna keep trying to win. I think the only shoes I want left are the... well, if the slides come out again, I'll try again for those, but I think the only other ones I probably buy is another pair of foam runners because I have foam runners in the bone color and I love them. They're comfy. So I think I would try for the onyx color. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any tips or tricks for anybody else. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you so much for watching.